Hi guys, I'm architect and urban designer Moksha Bhatia back with another video. Recently, I uploaded a YouTube short in which I listed the government sectors in which you can get job as an architect. So here is the full video for you. First, we are going to talk about urban development authorities. In India, plan infrastructure and housing projects are developed by urban development authorities, which are governmental civic bodies. The 74th Amendment to the Indian Constitution demands the creation of an urban development authority for every town. Planners and bureaucrats with a focus on urban development form the authority. When it comes to municipal planning, authority representatives collaborate with state administrations. Architects are hired for urban planning, city development and reconstruction projects by organizations such as the Delhi Development Authority, Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority and others. So if you are willing to work in the urban development authorities, check out the website of your local development authority and see the upcoming recruitment. Let's take the example of Punjab Urban Development Authority. You can find the recruitment at sssb.punjab.government.in. Click on the process of recruitment to know about the advertisement, scrutiny of applications, conducting of interviews, examinations, etc. Then click on the online applications where you can find the current vacancy for any particular position. Let's take another example of the Delhi Development Authority. Search for DDA. On the search page, you will see the latest job buttons. Click on that and you will be directed to the recruitment tab. Same way, you can search about development authorities of other cities. If you are interested in working for the government, you must frequently monitor official websites, career portals, and public sector recruiting announcements to stay up to date on the job opportunities and qualifying requirements. That's all for today. I'll be back with other job portals, and if you do not want to miss out on the government jobs, please subscribe to Urbanism Spinning. Do like, share. Thank you.